In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a zip file of a project in VS Code. By the end, you'll have a single compressed file of your entire project that's easy to share, upload, or backup. First, open Visual Studio Code on your computer. If it's already running, make sure you're on the main window rather than a specific file. We're going to point VS Code at the exact folder that contains your project so there's no confusion about what gets zipped. At the top left, click File to open the main menu. From there, choose Open Folder. This tells VS Code which project directory you want to work with. In the dialog that appears, navigate to your project's root folder, the one that contains all your code, assets, and subfolders. Select it and confirm. VS Code will load that folder and you'll see it listed in the Explorer panel on the left. Take a quick moment to verify you opened the correct folder. If you see your familiar files and structure, like SRC, assets, or README, you're in the right place. Once the folder is open, the next part is handled by your operating system. The goal is to zip the entire folder, not just a single file inside it. Locate the same project folder on your computer, make sure you're selecting the folder itself, not a file within it, and right-click on it. This brings up the standard context menu for folders. Hover over Send To, then click Compressed Zipped Folder. This command creates a new .zip file that contains everything inside your project directory. You'll typically see the zip appear in the same location as the original folder. If prompted to name it, choose something clear and recognizable, like the project name and today's date. If the name is auto-filled, you can rename it afterward by selecting the zip and changing the file name. Give the compression a moment to finish, especially if your project is large or includes many dependencies and assets. You'll know it's done when the new .zip file is fully created and no progress bars are showing. The zip will include all visible files and folders in your project. Keep in mind, big folders take longer and result in larger zip files. That's it. You opened your project in VS Code to confirm the correct folder, then used your system's Send to compressed zipped folder option to create a clean, shareable archive. Your zipped project is now ready to email, upload, or store safely.